So in this video we are going to see how I exactly optimize the battery of Pocket 2 while I'm shooting outdoors. And it is essential to save more battery because when you're visiting a great location you will never know what things you are going to capture, so you have to keep your backup. So we'll discuss some 5 key points that I follow. I'm going to share those 5 key points that I generally used. You can suggest more if you are having any ideas on this. First one is carry power bank. So this is very important. You should always carry a tiny power bank or that is suitable for you when you are traveling or when you are outdoors. So you never know, you need that for your phone also and for your Pocket 2 also. Second point is lower the screen brightness, where in mobile phone we have this screen brightness option where you can do that medium or high brightness, but in Pocket 2 I generally use the low key light settings. I reduce the white balance, and that is how I used. The next point is disable the unused features, like if you're not using Wi-Fi then don't connect and don't turn on. Same for the Bluetooth, or for Pocket 2 there are settings like HDR or even Pro mode. Then you can turn off the Pro feature. Then you can turn off HDR. Then there is a 64 megapixel. So as you can see in the screen, I have shared all these settings. I literally turn off even when you are not using face tracker mode. At that time you can turn off that and you can save more battery. These settings turning off will be a huge benefit for you. To your Pocket will not get heat up that much, and also saves your battery. The next option is manage the recording settings, where this is the worst case where you really badly need the battery and you don't have power bank or any other source, but you want to shoot. So at that time you can have a lower resolution like 1K or a 2K. So even you can reduce the FPS. So this will save a lot, at least minimal things for you. The last point is when you're planning a shoot, charge before. So this is the simplest thing that you can do, or you can carry extra backup for your battery so that you can swap during shooting. So I generally plan something like plan A and I do plan B along with A. So yes, I have a backup of power bank, and also during I revise some script or find some good location for shoot. At that time I just keep my Pocket 2 on charge. And other more thing, I will suggest that, so whenever you are not using your Pocket 2 for shooting, then please turn off. So that is the best thing I feel to save your battery. Pocket 2 battery. So that's it for this video, and I hope this is useful for you to help during shooting and to save your Pocket 2 battery. Same process you can follow for any device. This is how exactly people are doing. There's nothing new, but I felt like that I should share something this, because these are common things that everyone follows, but might be it was helpful for any newcomer. And thank you so much for watching this video. See you into my next video. Bye.